Minia, the aboko there.
Senior Yanko found me here,
The Yamiase. Evans,
I was Alfonso be on here.
Yamiandum say, so him no.
Prince, your meaning Prince here, and I say, Prince and also so no. You see, you say, Prince letter by. Prince letter by. And also be count home. So, yeah, train Prince here, train Prince here, train Prince here, train Prince.
Kasaguma,
yeah, train Prince, yeah, train Prince.
Now go this in control say.
Yes, yeah, train Prince here, train Prince.
And then
you may not call from Accra say, na a brand here no. Namsu. I feel Prince Beba, so I could just car. Beneska, because you're no fakasi. Prince and your fakasi. Nanka Prince the Crown country, Sabia, Minya. I did here. But on a more serious note, you see, for media general to look for you, so yeah, you know, that's all born home. That's a work credibility.
Yeah.
Because you be a keke and you're fan. So,
you know.
Yeah.
Is it president politics?
Yes, or your politics.
And you may own say, who would say no? Politics now, yeah. Anamba.
Oh, may say, me a political reporter. Ain't what can I say? Me politics, but me partisan politics. Yes.
Maybe I do baby at Achibiano and you.
Oh, Yamio. And it's me, see.
As in Central for no. So far as Central for my parliament, you know. A better than Yasha or more.
So can call your pong.
Or my drain, I know much no more coy, or more.
Yes.
Maybe more disappointed here. But it will so yeah, Juma.
Yeah.
A bit more politics, more or more yeah, Juma, or more boquino.
But when him say John, made the moon say on. I think say sometimes one who assistant beat me a foul. Where say your problem pie say, and I blame the two major political parties. A bit me about say decision and I line a party be say tono. But who no standing against say because say oh yeah mo into pebe bigina.
Yeah.
Into this on kwa kopem.
Okay.
And sana on my way.
Into Prince Ofori Atta. Yes. Bra.
Senior.
You didn't come away. But from afar, no, na.
But me tell say even such and so many the crutches seven no. And easy also. I thought that I had TV3 news and you remember said that is a be a minifia and I'm
okay.
Now me heard Ivan say reporter I'm so many. I have brought down going to mean NDC and Tanya was so I insurance you craft say Bianca was me I check
honestly
it was about 14 years
14 years old
come for the young
come in kai honestly come in kai tina make say no o my idea pa 14 years old TV
yeah kitwa no grandma no for baby
yeah some 10 cities I'm having to make us be
o 10 cities come on
and I'm 10 cities I'm having to make us be 14 years
no o timi frese oh wo de muntu o mama kan we
we kai me
yanka prince asem ene
otimi frɛ otimi kas oh wo de some de ba mo de ba na ya tumudwe o do de mo de ba ye wono no de no se tomu a etuma tse do so na tonzu mu no
di nkomo mo sa
okay ohina bi a na no brevi na oka council of state ho a o man tu esika bi ma no well e wo ha na o so nko check in statement o ko eneska bi abeka ho
yeah
o si o dabi yeah o man ni sika no me kwa na me gi petrol scanty sa allowance na me e be to mu no ho e kire kura no ko check
to gba afede enti sa na me ni
media ni
ono atomu a
to gba afede masa jana kama
e kum so no anyway but any come minia I think
so music asem osro it was super.
Kaya semu. Ebuwa no.
Obi de wo so sin obi. Zane. We rank here. Onye comfortable with them making but e jabende. Zane. Hey. But the ending come in. So you say we active partisan politics.
Yes. Ane.
Ono obi awo hu bia no.
Say me mo anka initially no mo nim say akwa ni di agro na ansana ombe hu se akoda ni abre no me sure se bia sa abre omo ni abre di omo ho ya ntimi ni agro yankopon ya adom na party bie kwan se omo pese omo gina petumi wo NDC mu nkofa krata mekwa kofa bi makan guidelines no ti mekwa kofa krata na ma pre-deputy regional secretary ntinya agro nye sini
wow
mefa na mwogidie nso se NDC delegates no me hu se o my mistake da ebre bia o moni nipa olidi nioma
I see
yeah me hu ne se nyame adoma o mo de tumi ne be mame
enti mame musa se
de opeso bi
na wo ye adwuma no se adwuma no wo agya na wo da
minya ye
wo da so ye central adwuma no
yeah minya ye
ena se o ka se yenya wasem na wo de NDC ni
you see
journalist nti asema be kan bia ye NDC sem nko a
Sir John ye ka journalist a me ma ko me hu ni se o my genuine with the whole Ghana me kan ho bi
okay
because once nyina ye to aba no obi a won interest and obi case we neutral we wiase we issues ho a menyi ni you can be impartial neutral say bio ye nuanom ye ho afo no monto aba no omumpo omonto aba no omo interest cause abe we dia mentu bi na mo evans nya amepe enye possible
possible
di omo interest just that actively omo pese omo di omo be wrem yesom ye gidie obi a na omo ye adwena asem bi ani ho but on to be no kra no o interest wo
I see
in the fa ho ne said you be besi ho no we are the best judge in this world is your conscience into kano a emfa ho said you nipa besi be ho na asem no kra ni hia ina no kra no nso ye gidi si umbe miensa omo se no kra ba akopɛ senior ye no kra ne ya miensa ye wo objective truth ho ye wo normative truth ho ne wo subjective one into there in as much as abu hu say you are being objective obi so be fa ne say bia a subjective one or the normative one do me there me gina mu den senior
but your mama musa why a party ni as an NDC ni throughout your journey in this journalism and I say a point we na who said no I have to go this way
I mean you say and yet throughout my journalism career because Ashanti region have me by 2010 before then na my radio juma winchi be mfie 9 enti me ka say throughout my career na I say even say and I say before me be kuma se kura na bi anasa na tie along the way I'm decided say no bibia betumi asi on say abrabo na ayebo no bibia ya adwene ye di onyankopon ka ho because he orders our steps nti ubeye di obetumi ni wagya di aka na mawrade so okay me prepare me ho awrade me di mini pedua na me crash wonsa sa de be china say osise ya ma prepare me ho ato just order my steps that's all still
but yeah unyima no at what point now but okay if say yes, at what point now who say NDC a party o also would do dom
I check akra fine I check akra
a card bearing member
I check yeah
I will tell you say my party no
yeah I do we are carrying ebra me ye ma adwe say me bana say officially time no nso bet kofo ye flyers no mo declare mo intentions na o mo ka ti ebra me ye flyer me tro be 3 paragraphs bi e buy o si akwa na odi agro on qualify sir senior my kind guidelines no me share time a party mpanifo dey free say wa o hwe sa abre no utimi qualifier me gidi
okay
yeah
I see Kofidela
me aminu apeni Ruben
I was saying can't say omo full support
yeah
yes so Jenny na also tuchema na Jenny na wo kono wo mo tawachi
Ruben wo ho one na prempe they are objective people. Just that, on China said you will see a huno. Ono obey on one desire.
Yeah.
Very objective.
I see.
Just that one say we will be cool, but catch you say me be county. And what also. I'm very grateful to my senior brother.
Let me share what you think, say party, the entire party in here at this time.
Mo, I was saying, senior even say can be say, with many genuine people, but on the baby no, it be as I challenge the status quo. You ever say be a Ofori baby no abe frame. No cre. But I dear back on so a mijidi ni say, a drew baby a political parties are hold on. Yeah, now omo directions and yet because a drew baby a futu papa any nyoma ya no mu hi ansa kra no maba abonten wo mu nsemu no ebini munya enti ebeba abonten ebeduru mfimfin no okọ enye yie oba enye yie sa bre na wadu mfimfin na aniama ntotomu no obi oye objective ebe hu se mo position nye position na party na take no ebia you being a genuine person akwa kama wie enti untimi nyu ho mfrim de be ya ne say system ne bia a corrupted but ebia from the outset na party no enya proper direction opani ekwan ya me fa so ne adwen amanya se mewura executives ni mu no very simple me hu se nkofo aye flyer omo de AI no ma church so experience e de any experience ye wadwuma bi wo ho na sa wo ye no Ghana by virtue of adwuma na wo ye no se nyankopon hu mobo na hobrasie mu a wo ye wadwen ho adwuma kakra bi a me hu experience e wa brabo ma wontumi nya me mo amfanto se John wotie me hu eku a e wo Ghana ha ye ka se kodi general secretary e wo se eku ni mu a wontumi ne
sure
ye nua Evans e wo ha ye tie nchen ha me hu eku e wo Ghana ha ebre so se Evans enko di general secretary ma se eku kro na wontumi ni the experience na go for can experience as in hot it ought to be contextualized. I mean more typical example mi yan kasi yenua Dr. Frank Amoakohene na oni offer simose mensa as a time yenua Dr. Frank Amoakohene be di regional minister no menye sure say na record say obabi a say we di regional minister da but Sir John obi a wotie ye including NPP fo mpo be di adanse say ya offer Simon o say men sentimi nyina babia da enka so experience wa mamu ho chen Dr. Frank Amoakohene obetimaka
so on not 7-8 years and just some few years into the first term until that experience no at least no quite enough
ontimi nka say you Simon the say men say share NPP for kura woni dan mu a ontumi nka nkere wo mo da se me ma ye minister 8 years intimi wo experience wo minister die ho chen yenua Franka Dr. Frank Amoakohene and to me
do you think say nema or no face here within those period no
face there
maybe challenges a buy maybe I be my at this stage of Dr. Frank Amoakohene in the administration so we're dealing with a lot of events you get what I mean so we're dealing with a lot of them where to me it be overcome ebi mo and experience be honso challenges ne bad you obet me overcome and they want me overcoming nyina no but together to give you the experience because the obesia challenge ne be defeat you no e kire obibi uwia say okay so this is how I approached the situation and I meant me anyday I overcome the next time you know how to deal with it it may not be entirely true said they all can because when you're 8 years where they about almost 2 years
I feel fa
and I make it about 2 years but me nim baby are free body so
establish say obi ntimi nka say experience means ade potin no onye evident oni ho experience wrong that assertion is purely predicated on feelings because me nim gidie mu no e kire me say yenua Dr. Frank Amoakohene wadi afene fa pe ewo RCC say Ashanti regional minister no ma adwen kire me say Sebin producer emfa so wa fe ne fa na wa bedi ni so wo region nim e chen yenua ene ye ofa Simon say mensen fie nwotwe a obedi no on the basis of that you was say mensen timi nko kase me experience e chen Dr. Amoako just because me di minister 8 years and am offer asen so e di afe ne fa. So when people talk about experience, I want them to contextualize same. Asam am pese me kire nyina no. Opani the man many brave say a radical domina party for be kwan amedi enie. Director of Research, Emma NDC Ashanti region, is on record to have said that so far NDC for Mikotuno was so far NDC for 10 BR, a move 6 and in according to another research. Now money any nyamamu a year to him and to his outfit a year treatment party for nemu. Well, minimum basis but yem fan one kayasem. And this in be ni ha obekas yewura His Excellency John Mahama na mamu nyo. Obi en ho obeka. Because Sir John NPP for kro mo kan okre nim say President Mahama mamu no e chen na nado die. Gi se obi a na se bi onye sikaboni bi di a emma biem na beka se amamu ane ete ho a mekai asa to December 2023 na inflation over 50% no eye chen no. And say President Mahama mamu ni ye na according to the research directorate of the party in the region say party for we 10 be a 6 and in year a chira was said the party for ni nemu no they may not be happy. And a basa we beka say e be a deputy keke na uko e die na obetimi aye se yon wotie o mpekasa o nte se me mo ye mema na asem ha ma na modu mu se sumbu aye din ni bi hwe minim pa se woni Evans nyina mo mpekasa nti ye ebiane se na ubisa se unua papaje nti wo ha ye bo party mpanifo din a de ombebisa ne se asomese wo ha asomese wo ha ye po bi obetimi awura regional executive committee ni mu na asetena the ubofo as development partners party no ne mote no ayeyi a menye sure say ye ne ayedin abase obi pe deputy no obi betimi abridges agabo na cheme wati me komo na se minim pa se the ubodwuma no money party ne nyaka but asetena na party ne mote ne mompe obi anka se obi mre obi ska o but munim pa se de ekoso NDC as a party and the media space I am confirming the best just that one person meka Sir John enemy near Evans yani aye yiti yani aye omo main positions yani aye bad deputy all positions all deputy positions all substantive ones all deputies. I'm putting it to you. Oh, hey.
I'll put it to me.
Yeah, I want to put it to you.
Put it to me.
Yeah, because I'm not under cross-examination.
No question.
Monitor. It's a party, no. I say.
Monitor.
Omo no nyaka.
Minim say be a minua woman tidia.
Me just say secretary they say. I say party no. Omo no nyaka. But as will be ana no kwai. It you need ni party ni semochi. But as we need the chida. Ka obo say wo mo eba no. With all due respect, I have a great respect for all of them. However, send your men can there many problem. But I say me imiti. I was here say human a day him.
Yeah.
When you Berman, na when your bar, na when your cocona, when you tuntum tinti asem. Eh yuma. Here about over Ghana for Kotuma President Mahama. Oh say kuro no. Me nya sure so obi anya scatter. But at least any that's all say e be fa. Hebe bi ofato office no obi akotena wadi finance minister adwane no sa office wa na obi akotena ogini din ato for so no ya baba akopɛ no a
okay za aba no
abato ho no very important
mini ama mentwa mo homra wate
utwa ba
ai ma mentwa mra
twabra
na yento aso na menya messages of her on this side. Yes, the same thing I will kind no mini faith but o man also establishes say some grofo no bi hye fam de
oh why not.
Okay.
Minti me call ho na me ne party fo bi di nkomo no. Me boss asem we so. Abrante baako. Okuta position or party nim. Senior born and go yesu. O see the whole Ghana. And some of na allegedly no omoji akatua e wo national service payrolls no. The whole Ghana district in Omodo.
Akoma FM 87.9.
At a time one NPP for Omodo omo hye saa e ho no. Omo yi akye agu omo so. Sankofo no esen yi akye de gu NDC for na e ho no so. At a time omo di money.
Say office maybe I don't ko share no na nye dia. And it means that I reset here we shouldn't create those offices in Francophone ko share.
No.
I don't know if I'm getting your point right there.
For instance, my member national service here making. National service say your district office. So what your problem ni ho? The creation, there's nothing wrong with the creation of that office. The problem is NPP for no much or no more degree no more to. That is what I want to see. You get them out, you sack them, then you place them with yours. Those that are or those who are competent.
I was unko di dream.
There be say you here you ha. Why you dream wa ha? O se media general you free ha. Ni akofa senior Evans be ho. The NPP for no mo wa ban adwuma mo di dream ni nyina no. O se party mpanifo dey na se fom ni yi o mo free. Aban adwuma bi NPP ni di dream ho no. Yes.
Na mo ye NPP ni na yi adwuma yi.
No. The only adwuma yi
yeah, you suspect. Say what did you? But we need to establish what the dream na we need. And that one too. You are a lawyer. You know the process they go through.
I'm not a lawyer.
you are a student lawyer.
I'm a student of law. I'm not a lawyer. Make sure say NPP ni oti the baby or in the juma fe. Onya boni. O no say kwakana ide. But NPP ni awadi boni oti adwuma ni mo NDC ni o qualify so nya adwuma ni bi nya. Obenya adwuma ni bi wo he na ade amankofo. It's simple. Okwaka yempanifo no with all due respect okwa yes o kasa fire mpanifo no nye pani bi adi namba me disa ya oni wo mi mu se ebedu baby na party fo obo mabu o kasa won to aba wan hwe yi ebedu ho no obekọ kofa nwomtofo ani sabi sinifo amoma ba join campaign now party for ti wo mpie the time is now nti e wosi yempanifo ne bro mo ho ase na omu gya wei omaye omu nkofo ne civil servants uyi na de enye yi Wane kasa ade ne kire omu. Yati Ghana ha. Yantia na ya mame tokuno. Ho Chief Justice. Omani yenyi na di. Ene okwa adwuma. Zanyo mi bisa o. Ya mame tokuno okwa adwuma.
Public knowledge ntia ne de.
Na obi aban adwuma na wosoro chen no. Emra no so ni mu no. Ya kire ne se. Obi be se so. O mame pokuya na ade be di agora. Enye obi papa madwoa. So wo beti wo adwuma na de adwuma di agora anya ban na adwuma timedie sa de no apart mpanifo ne ye no
okay
omunyai sa de
so the all can be we ne say I was say enye obi obepush ama
simple
opportunity saba ma party
simple
me dem ma kan say me ni problem say aban bi be wa no so ohwe ne party for omunyina so mnyina Ghana for at least na no I say unemployment kakra cycle because they be are produce students dem ba bonten and no ba bonten also mzunya adwuma ye ti say party aba no say o de ne nkrofo say be ti o ma free obi no we be ka say we say party atade no anya adwuma ye nti ye ntini free Ghana entire population na ye do mo ye analysis
okay say o munyina ye Ghana for ma mi say on say me
Akoma FM 87.9
adwuma no a ene say ne ye papa Edutwum doctor on na ye o sa aban no ne asesa no a say Dr. Edutwum da so ye Ghana ni ha de ntini ya ma na education ministry ho. And it's like a Dr. Edutwum at the education ministry ho. And then can this ni be education minister dia cause any parent kana kuma beto ne yam. We MC, we DC, we say regional minister, say sector minister. Say NPP ni and a baby out no. And out in China our person office na occupy anka wani baji. Tia dentina say bi ebi no nya baby atena. Na won kai say so betna office wacha. E party ni na wo mfa ne hwe no.
Of course.
Ejina sani panusu. Enti, my friend, jobs are created. See, and create opportunities, you know. Now, resetting agenda. One reset with the right people with right mindset. Open your resetting is a.
Enti.
One yan is our better when you demand the amount of one.
They say, campaign, how far? Name what you're saying.
In Yamagusu Koso.
Because party for no dey no mo ka kire wan kasa. Me so aboba akoso about ye hwehwe nkrofo yi ho mo ne adwuma sem.
87.9
But omo hia change.
Change asin.
Asin omo hia change. Omo kaso omo hia nsesan wo the regional executive.
Many party for kasa ensem a meti no. Ahye me nkuna na atumi gidi mu pa. Na akire me say on se hyenkofo tim se NDC de yemfa yenhyɛ da nyusu deputies no opani nya no kore enya no kore da factors e man basa no eye bebre so konya se me ba urade adoma Mr party for se mpese mba deputy secretary so konya secretary a owo mu gidi
87.9
na oni ni competition bi asa ko da chimenya na me contest no a na se wo deputy no wo ye competent a omu de adwuma ehya won sa omu nsuro
Can the okay any bio? Me pese menye ne ye.
me say
Nim se bia man tun kan ye de. Am pese.
Ehye bi ni mutirim se o. O ye deputy a ye hu so mfa so. Enti wontimi nya hwe. Me ne omo nya adwen. Ma adwen ne se wunya boss papa. For instance, me pepe deputy secretary. Secretary nso a oba no me ogidie se de me pe no omo de be ma no. Se nipa no e wo me
de he na ope.
Se nipa no wo me mugidie. O se
de he na ope.
no kure wo mu ni se me to aba ne bi anka me to ama ba chamfo. Me wo me reasons.
Okay.
Eno de o ye me de ya
Ha na ugina.
ono na me wo ni mugidie se adwuma no betimai.
Okay.
Tiam fan se party fo akoto ama ba chamfo. Secretary o ma kai me no ma to deputy amamia. Se ba chamfo e wo me mugidie se akwa we se me ma na adwuma no obetimi aye. Na man show bibia se me boss yi da chimnya na metunu a na so de adwuma no hye me nsa na metumi ya obi se ne deputy wo nyusu me atin komo na
Afi matu asi.
87.9
enti se sa na tie de a maka cho se
ko ho asi na usum boss.
na
Na
wo
wonya se
demonstrate
na wonya wadwen se adwuma na wo ye no o ye na
Ya chi no akutu
wo
no.
de aton ho aba betu no.
wrong
Okay.
na wasen ya demonstrate competence because o mu gidie se de na o mu adwuma no wantimi anya won san fama atin komo na se hwe party ne politics ya ye ne internal elections yi wo ye de se John betie Evans na so me so betie Evans na so ye be wi na ensem ketenketi ya wosi esiesie
Akwa de otiam na so da bia.
ekwe fa so
Me se ko
siesie
otiam na so.
ekwe fa so siesie ensem anya true litigation e be true edia ibisa mu nyina edin aba abonten omo pa deputy ya omo church de omo pegu omo flyers yi obie ni ho a asem asi party na party mpanifo say okay mo nko kan edi se jo mentimi nka nje omo makai
Obetimi. Me okay, so me nim obi a one no contest. In fact me frankly speaking.
Social media so
Frankly speaking.
for flyers bibiri
Sir.
Yeah.
Oma join wo.
obi a declare
Oh sir.
yeah ye kobe se sia se so
Hey!
ye trawo
Hey, any MMs are the many na ho you.
ma me say mo another example be bisa de obisa no hwe aban de 24-hour economy policy document ne buy I tell you e be si ne o ma na o kasama party o nte nhihye na ase ne doso
And the problem is favor.
problem ne say as a party ense se e ya adwene say obia ebetumi akasa de ama party no e wo se party nya nhihye na ebra no omo ye workshops any training proper one
No
mo de ma sa fo ni nyina
87.9 Kumasi.
ene ye nuanu NPP for sorry a ena John Mahama si 24-hour economy market o se anadwo obo wana obi nkoto bode ne banji opani president Mahama kan sa asem no we but because ye kire mu a ye ne ama kwan ma sa de we nyina ba enti se aban de policy bi ba na opani ye koye workshop ama party fo na se ye say ebi a deputies mu nko kire mu a eye me wanwa say osi hu wo mo e ba no with all due respect me nya sure say
in fact me no kwasem
monitor
Akoma FM
say party no
87.9
akoye say
monitor
o mo na onya ka so
minim say bia menua wo mu ntidi a na
me kire say secretary de say I say party no o mo na onya aka but as will be an no quite. It you were any party in some much. But as we need the Chida, Cowboy was a warmer ban. With all due respect, I have a great respect for all of them. However, send your men count there. Any problem. But I say, may me tea. I was here, say, you man a day in him.
Yeah.
When your bearman, when your barn, when your cocoa, when your tuntum yasam. A yuma. About over Ghana for Kotuma President Mahama. Oh, say, Chrono. Mean, your shows will be on your scatter. But at least then that's all, say, a befa. Have your fat office no be a cotton with the finance minister, Janino. Sir, office one will be a cotton. Or Ginny at all for so no. A baba copenoa.
Okay, as a bano,
a very important.
Meaning, I'm in Cham Homrati.
Uchaba,
I'm in Chamra.
Chabra.
Na yen twaso na many messages of her. Sir, yes. The same thing I will kind of. I mean, your faith.
Or say, and you met me as a sankakra. Yeah, politics no. I'm so happy, sir, and they yen any movie. So, and so I imagine, say, Omobe Ra a year among your semu. Well, me view, ne say, normally in Kaura Mananka or the journalism not on chain. Because of ankasa perception. So they say, the societal perception about politics and journalism. But beyond that, uti Prince division na nisuade hunu ni nsem bi a okeka no wonder in a sense that unim di opesa woye so ho unim bi a woko the communication me dey I think say the delegates should vote for him. So much about the man. Enya hwe kura no si say John. Say ye wo nipa no bi o ma yen central adwuma ni bi da. Na omo wo politics ni mu a nima betimi asesa kakra ye koye ni mu no. Wonim say uhwe mu pa no a yen journalist. Ye ka enkrofo a wo say yitimi chichire oman a ke ka ho bi pa because constitution is say ye the fourth estate.
Yeah. Say no can say ke ka more experience pa.
Yes, e chichire oman a enke look
you turn radio today tell me
e was enke ye because you see ye wo direct connection with the people.
Yeah.
Ade a ehia omu bia no ene de omo pesa aban ne ye bia no ye ne di kan ten first.
Yeah.
Ni aka ho asem wo afidie so na politician nate eti ye ka omo tinkrofo no ho yaw anase omo sun omo abebre se bibia mu a yen na di kan ba ye ho ansa na omo wo eso ho nate eduru omo ho a ena omo che se omo biti anase omo ntie enti me I want to see more journalists enter the political race. I want to see them enter the political race.
Yeah, go can some kire you.
Enter the political race.
My mem can we. Yeah, sometimes to reduce your own crofo regional elections, your own crofo endorse you more already. Yeah, endorse me.
Oh, I know they send you. I know they send you.
You see, endorsement in the based on
nipa competence. Yes, any the obetimi aye. Nipa betimi aye.
Because you see party for no can some hey both MPP and NDC omo kan sem kire pa ebi mo frɛ ebi so ba office
and they're consistent
senior mpese me hu asem bi ha me obesi obeka na party no niema bi omo nya ne yie nti e na omo sofa you see about the radio so na say endorse a eya na you share the bigger picture no say
na tio Sir John me kan kire say kuni esan ye fruyare womra ye fruyare eduro because of the medi eba sa no a ma brenya me
yeah
ena nipa dodo no so omuti ye no so no ye di omuhwamo
you know
because he Sir John omo ye fidie ai to see bi madwuma ne ye chan bi
yeah
omo omuti fi omuti ye no de makde ne ma na obeya chan
yeah
but onye omugidi isi oti o eti ade a betimi the least you can do ɛne sɛ deɛ yɛ no bɛka mfo ama nipa no but deɛ aka deɛ wagya ama no
yes
ɛti wo kae deɛ ɔse maka deɛ yɛ akyerɛ nipa ba deɛ aka no yɛ waa wo hɔ sɛ bɛ nyankopɔn koraa de yɛtumi yɛyɛ anka sɛ yɛ right anaasɛ yɛpɛ ama yɛ how much more nipa so enti yɛ deɛ yɛ bɛkɔ so akamfo deɛ yɛ nama sɛbi o yɛtiefoɔ no yɛahwɛfoɔ ne obi odi akyi pa deɛ aka no deɛ ɛwɔ mo ahɔ ɛno deɛ ɛsɛ yɛntumi nyɛ asɔm ne gɔn
enti bia mo nte aseɛ sɛ partyfoɔ no mo ka nsɛm mo a moyɛ mo adwuma nyinaa partyfoɔ no mo nim mo a monyɛ ne yie nyinaa wo mo nim
sɛnea wonim biribi woyɛ common knowledge ɛberɛ President Mahama ba abɛn mu no the assurance was that montwɛn he has not been sworn into office ɔnsaeɛ kakrakra na ɔpani ni saeɛ montwɛn ɔnyi ministers ɛne ɔyi ministers deɛ partyfoɔ ka na meka yi o kakrakra na ɔpani no yi ministers montwɛn ɔnyi MMDCs kakrakra na ɔyi montwɛn ɔnkan the first budget on the first 3 months of his administration budget no was read by the previous administration ti why we nyinaa si sɛ yameyɛ ni amre na yanko ama partyfoɔ no a ɔpani deɛ bɛba ne sɛ o monyene mo ho na monkɔto aba na sɛ party ne tena aban mu kya ɛna abɛnya bibi
yes I mean yes
na ayɛ sɛ wada da
likely sɛ wa nyɔ ne ma yie so bɛduru hɔ sɛ 4 years nti no mo deɛ
ade ama mani
mo ntoa yɛ so na mo toa mo nya dwuma ne ntoa so yɛ toa so ana mo deɛ bɛba
ɔka sɛ mo eche nipa office ɛbɛtɔ ne tiri hwɛ ade ama mani agye ɛne ɔpani mani bere abrɛ sɛ megyina mu no ɛnie kyɛ sɛ baabia NDC gyina no ɛyɛ kyɛ party bia wɔ Ghana ha because opposition deɛ wo no yɛ oniama yɛ kura so bɛba aban mu no is dependent on the performance of the party in government nti NDC ni gyina yie pa ayɛ sɛ wobɔbɔ na 90 minutes aso na referee de 5 minutes ato so na 5 minutes of additional time no wabɔ 4 minutes na aka 1 minute na part referee na sa agye penalty ama na de onim bɔ pa na ebegyina ho wogyina yie kura especially so hia sa go no nko ade afamu a wogyina yie kyɛn obi a wɔno kura no striker kura woni bi enti NDC no de
after you say penalty kick no be taking
fa
we taking here
de be si akire won fa ho
ba wonya mese pɛ
asɛm aba
abambu aba in that 5 minutes
NDC ni gyina yie it is the most attractive political party a party a kyese wodo toto omo aka no wɔ Ghana and da so wom wɔ 2028 ɛkyɛn party sina aka ni nyina we akyinye bi ani ho eni sɛ nkɔfo no mpo ɔmanfo no mpo no sɛ ɔmaba mu bu wɔ party no ho na nyɛ amamuo ne de a enka chi ɛbra ne wɔ nsɛm timi ye changes bi a
I see
simple
yeah well 3 minutes to wrap up minia sa 3 minutes am de mawi
me nyusu ni nyina mpo
okay
me na okay masɛm yɛ simple ɛbra no so na party panifo bie kwan a mɛkɔ akɔfa krata na ma pre deputy regional secretary of the great NDC ɛwɔ Ashanti region ɛyɛ simple me ogidie sɛ ɔmo sɛ positions na aka wɔ party nim ni nyinaa yɛde efie nyansa na edi efie nyansa nko a betumi edi but about the Department of Secretariat also odi bribi eka also you be a we multi skilled e wo bibia mu so obekira aban se mu ko kan mo se communicators adwuma wa na ka kire so obi a party secretary na deputy a omo party ni ho dawro ade won ko campaign nti wo ko asem be na obeka obi a party chairman a so wo ko campaign okọ a won ko bo party ni ho dawro nti so obi a okate across odi bibia ma na obribinim na obetumi aya saa kwa no yenini ho agro ko ka se party ni ho da obo mo se communicators adwuma na akoye se bi ba ma na yere ho nya fe no o se ahon fe nkwa ware na ho na ka che so oba ho fa oni suban enti se obi a eba ye nkyere party nsem mo oba kyiri mu minyi ni se ye de ko mu ye ne monyon na ya manyo sem titiri wa santimem I don't believe in that de me gidi ni ye takashi de no eno de ono na mgidi pa obi a eba krachi semu ahobrase mu ono obeye eba takashi a ono obeye ye nkyira ban semu a obekirim ne time ɔde kasa ma nkɔfoɔ ɔdwene nkɔfoɔ ho onim de ehia ma nkɔfoɔ onim kwan yɛ fa so ne papa ntɛm yɛ yi saa akɔ wei sɛ ɔtoma na yɛ me a ebi enye ne na abɛhu fa so no but benya me so mfa so mo asɛm ni nyina no ɛnu nti yɛbɛgyina awurade adom no ma yɛnkwa na megyidi sɛ John mede nkra yi gyaw
fagya me na yɛnkwa yi
sɛ bibia mpo anyɛ yi a mo a mobɔ adwumaden wɔ kure mu sɛ de wobɔfoɔ yɛ party ne sɛ ɔmo mfa mo ho sɛ ɔmo ne mo yɛ aka o mo nyusu me
bebre ni yɛ aka de
mo nyusu me na mfa solve saa problem no wate
bebre ni yɛ aka
na me hyɛ mu nkuna sɛ akyia emu yi ɛsia kasa bebuo nyina de
yes
mo de aso me ba
yɛnua no I mean na why na mpɛsɛ ne nua ya wonim ne haw ɔno so agorɔ no obɛwura mu bi obia pɛ nti yɛn so yɛpiam why yɛde yɛ platform yi deɛ no kwasɛm ne sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ma obia ɛwɔ hɔ ma obia so obia bɛbɛ kana asɛm ɛwɔ hɔ ma obia so ɔba mebu so asɛm no ayi ano but yɛn so yɛ deɛ ne sɛ yɛnua wɔ mu deɛ na adan
menda se tiniama